Hey everyone. So you want to like a Roblox game or join its group on your PS5 or PS4? Great idea. Groups and likes help you connect with games and other players. As of September 2025, directly liking a game or joining a group isn't natively possible in the Roblox app on PlayStation. The app redesign that came out in March of 2025 brought a new level of functionality to the app, but is still lacking in some key features. Sony's PlayStation integration enhancements in July of 2025 allowed for easier account linking, but did not yet unlock the full range of social interactions. Due to console limitations, the workaround involves using a separate device like your phone or computer. Think of your console as a great way to play Roblox, but your phone or computer is needed for the full social experience. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds, and I'll walk you through it. Let's start with the first step, linking your accounts. Make sure your Roblox account is connected to your PlayStation Network account through the Roblox app settings on your console. This connection is key for everything to sync properly across devices. Next, on your PS5 or PS4, open the Roblox app from the PlayStation Store. Search for and play the game you're interested in. You can even favorite it right there on the console, which is a great start. The crucial steps happen on another device. Switch to your computer or mobile phone, visit roblox.com, and sign in using the exact same account linked to your console. Once logged in, search for your chosen game. To like it, just click the heart icon. It's that easy. To join a group related to the game, click on the Groups tab on the game's page. Then simply click Join Group to become a member and access group benefits. Keep in mind the security updates from 2024. You'll likely need two-factor authentication enabled on your account to join groups. Set it up if you haven't already. Finally, the changes will sync to your console, usually within 24 hours. Return to your PS5 or PS4 and check your favorites. The liked game should be there, and any group perks will kick in once synced. Remember, while this workaround gets you the social features you need, it's a temporary solution until Roblox fully integrates these options into the console app. Always prioritize account security and have fun exploring.